If you're over 60 and still feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, if your mornings feel slow, your energy crashes before lunch, or your brain feels foggy before 10 a.m., the problem might not be your sleep. It might be what you're not eating for breakfast. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 breakfast foods that reverse fatigue after 60, based on real science and designed for senior metabolism, hormone health, and energy restoration. These 5 foods can improve morning energy, sharpen your focus, boost your stamina, and stabilize your blood sugar all day. Before we dive in, comment below. What do you usually eat for breakfast now? Oatmeal? Toast? Nothing at all. Let's see how it stacks up against the list. Starting with food number 5. Food. 5. Walnuts. The brain-boosting, energy-releasing nut walnuts aren't just heart-healthy, they're a morning energy powerhouse. Why? Because they contain Study Spotlight. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate 1 to 2 ounces of walnuts daily had just a small handful, about 7 to 10 walnut halves, can give you lasting energy without a sugar spike. Add them to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or eat them on their own. Food. 4. Eggs. The complete protein for muscle and hormone support. Eggs often get a bad rap, but they're one of the best breakfast foods for older adults, especially if you want to reverse fatigue. Here's why. Study Spotlight. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults with higher choline and B12 intake experienced tip. Go for pasture-raised eggs if possible. They have more omega-3s and better nutrient density. Scramble them in olive oil with spinach and mushrooms for a fatigue-fighting breakfast bowl. Food. 3. Berries. The antioxidant wake-up call. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. They're not just sweet treats. They're one of the best anti-fatigue foods for seniors. Why? They're packed with Study Spotlight. In a Harvard study on aging, seniors who ate berries 3 times a week had easy ideas. Food. 2. Steel-cut oats, the slow-burning energy grain. Not all carbs are created equal, and for seniors, steel-cut oats beat boxed cereals by a mile. Steel-cut oats provide Study Spotlight. A 2019 study in Nutrition Reviews found that older adults who ate steel-cut oats daily had how to use. Avoid instant oats with added sugar. They cause energy crashes. Food. 1. Greek yogurt. Chia seeds, the protein plus gut health combo. This combo is the ultimate fatigue-fighting breakfast for seniors. Here's why. Greek yogurt is. Chia seeds add Study Spotlight. A 2021 study in Nutrients showed that seniors who consumed high-protein breakfasts with probiotics experienced how to make. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so chia seeds absorb liquid. This combo fuels you through your morning and supports both physical and mental stamina. Bonus, when and how to eat for lasting energy. Even the best foods won't help if the timing and balance are off. Here are 3 tips to boost your morning energy. Eat within 60 to 90 minutes of waking up. Skipping breakfast increases fatigue and brain fog. Combine protein plus healthy fat plus fiber, not just carbs. Hydrate first. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon or herbal tea before eating. Recap. The top 5 fatigue-fighting breakfast foods. Let's summarize. 5. Walnuts. Boost brain energy and reduce inflammation. Eggs. Rebuild muscle, support hormones, and improve B123. Berries. Antioxidants that protect your mitochondria. 2. Steel cut. Oats. Long-lasting fuel without sugar spikes. Greek yogurt plus chia seeds, protein plus gut health equals all-day stamina. Even just 2 to 3 of these foods per week can dramatically change how you feel by 10 a.m. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these breakfast foods do you already eat? Or which one are you most excited to try tomorrow? Comment below. We read and reply to everyone. If this helped you, hit like, tap subscriber, so you never miss another science-backed senior health tip.